It's been such a satisfying journey to get me where I'm at right now, in this very moment. A journey laden with difficulties, yet so satisfying it was worth every second. Rewind a couple of weeks ago to where I had my first FPV drone. This right here was the Tiny Hawk 2 Freestyle. Now, my sweet Aussie Husky mix, come here baby, come here, oh yeah, this sweet girl right here decided that she decided that she wanted to eat this. Now, I was in the middle of upgrading the VTX, as well as you can see changing to an XT30 connector so I could hook up some actual 2S batteries instead of the 1S batteries that this drone comes with. So this left me pretty sad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
And I couldn't fly. So I decided I had to figure out how to get another FPV drone. I knew I needed to make content for you guys. I needed to be able to get footage, and it's just a fun hobby. So I decided to sell my body on the corner. I used my credit card. Once the drone arrived, I noticed that the company from which I had bought the drone hooked up the wrong receiver type, meaning the controller couldn't connect. Now I have the Radiomaster Zorro. It's a great controller. This is the 4-in-1 version, and it's just overall a really good controller. It's really fun to use. It's a game style controller, so it's nice to hold in the hands. Now I do have an ELRS module on the back of my controller here, which allows me to connect to the ELRS receiver. I bought the drone from hooked up the wrong receiver type, meaning the controller couldn't connect. Now this led me to buy the DJI controller too, thinking I would be able to use it with the O3 air unit. That wasn't the case because the company that I bought the drone from didn't hook up the O3 air unit that way. Defeated again. Now, I ordered the parts that I needed, which was a ELRS receiver, soldered it on, and crossed my fingers. Everything that had happened leading up to this moment, I just needed one more thing.
You got a family, Phil? Say cheese. Order up.
And after adding 50 horsepower from the sticker, I knew it was time for me to go out and fly. Just in time before sundown, I got out, got my goggles on, got my controller out, armed my drone, and took off. In classic FPV style, I crashed the drone, throwing the battery across the field. And this is just how FPV goes sometimes.
I think we launched the battery out of the drone. Let's go see. Everything cut out. Battery came out of the drone. There it is. There it is. Well, that's the first crash down, so we don't have to do that again.
The quad took it great. Still in good condition. Absolutely perfect, honestly. This thing's crashed a few times already. It's doing great. I absolutely love the 6S power from this screaming monster. It'll go about 130 miles an hour from what I've seen. It has grace and speed. You can do flips and all kinds of stuff. The DJI O3 air unit, on the other hand, has a few bugs. I seem to have intermittent issues with overheating and low power mode not going off when arming the quad. Now it is 100 degrees in the middle of Texas summer, so take that into account. Overall, this has been a huge upgrade to my FPV collection. We've got the Tiny Hawk 2 Freestyle, the Nazgul5 V3, the DJI controller, the DJI goggles. I mean, we have all kinds of stuff that we're going to be trying out. The Radiomaster Zorro, I'll have a full review out on that controller soon. But yeah, and I'm excited to use it for more videos in the future. If you guys like this video, go ahead and drop down below a comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. This is free, but it really helps me out, really helps me promote the channel and show more people what we're doing. So if you liked it, subscribe. I'm out.